All right then, gang. So this site is coming along pretty well. We've got a few pages now. We've got some nested routes and nested layouts as well. So this is all working. However, what happens if we go to a route that doesn't exist? For example, /ABC, press enter. Well, we get this really horrible error page. That is the default error page in React. And the same would be true if we went to /help and then /ABC, something else. It doesn't really matter. We would get that default 404 error page. Now, we can actually create our own error pages or our own catch-all routes in React to kind of catch these routes and show something a little nicer. So there's actually a couple of different ways that we can approach this. We can either use something called error elements, which is another new feature to React Router 6.4, but I'm going to be showing you those later. The other way we can do this is by creating a catch-all link inside this app component where we register all of our routes. So at the bottom of this route tree, I could do another route right here, which is going to have a path equal to an asterisk. So let me just place that in here like so. And then that would be hooked up to some element or other. We're going to create that element in a minute, but that means that if none of these up here match, if this page, this page, this page, etc., none of these match right here, then instead we'll show this element at the bottom. It's like a catch-all route. So this could be a custom 404 page to say, look, none of these other things matched, but I'm going to show you this page instead, my custom page. So I'm going to create that page over here, new file, and we're going to call it notfound.js. And then inside here, we'll boilerplate this component and delete that. Inside the template, we'll do a div. Doesn't need a class. We're not going to apply any styles to this really. An h2, and that's going to say page not found, and then beneath that I'll just put in some dummy lorem ipsum, and then below that I think I'm going to do a paragraph that says go to the, and then it's going to be a link to the homepage. So we'll say, in fact, not nav link, we'll just do link and import that. We don't need nav link because we don't need to be styling this when it's active. So link to is equal to / the homepage, and for the text, we'll say homepage. All right, and a full stop at the end. So now we need to register that over here. So we say not found like so. We've imported that up here. So now if none of these paths match where we go to in the browser, it's going to catch that down here and render this component, which is this content. And we have a link to the homepage right there. Does that make sense? So that's one way to kind of have this 404 page. Like I said, there is another way, and that's using error elements, which we're going to talk about later on in the series. But for now, let's try this out in the browser. All right, so let me go to something like /Mario123. And yeah, we get this custom 404 now. We still have this layout, which is good because remember that wraps every single route, even that catch-all route at the bottom, because it's within the parent layout route. So we still get that. Then we get this page not found content, this page not found component rendered to the DOM. And if we click on this right here, it takes us back to the home page. Same would be true if we went to /help and then /ABC or whatever, then we're going to get this same not found component. All right. So that's one way that we can create a custom 404 or not found page in React.